Riffusion AI versus Suno. Which is better? I'm going to tell you whether Riffusion AI or Suno is the better AI for generating music. Riffusion AI uses spectrogram based models to turn text into music, creating entire tracks from descriptions. It's great for beginners, offering a simple interface that can generate tracks quickly. However, the music can sometimes sound repetitive, often resembling generic background pop tunes. On the other hand, Suno uses advanced AI to create more diverse and complex music across various genres. It offers greater control, allowing users to customize the mood, genre, and style of the music. If you're looking for more varied and professional sounding compositions, Suno might be your best bet. So if you want a fast and easy music creation, Riffusion AI is a solid choice. But if you need a wider range of styles and more controls over your tracks, Suno could be the winner.